other fraction here. Here's another fraction. Then for this one there, what you can do, you can even combine these two fractions using a bow tie there. Meaning this is what I will do there. I'll just this multiply there, this multiply there, this will multiply together there. Applying a bow tie. Meaning now this is what will happen there. You'll do this thing will be here. Meaning this will multiply there like 3. This will multiply here. And this will multiply there, meaning that thing there will become like what? 2. And here it's x plus 6. Then this one, they will multiply together like this then. Do you see, guys, this thing? Yeah. So this is what will happen there when I combine that fraction. That fraction now will just become like 3x 1 and minus 2x 6 divided this. They will give me what? 6, which is equal to 22 then. Actually equal to -2, guys, not 22. And now in this case, now what I should do there I can put invisible 1 so that I can form a fraction and a fraction there. I can do what? Cross multiply here according here to this law. Do you see? Meaning anything when you multiply to a fraction will get the same thing there, which is this is what you should get there. Then this multiply there, which is 6 multiplied by this thing there will give you -12 when you press on your calculator. This will multiply inside here. This multiply there, it's 3x minus this, which is this is that. This multiply that, it's positive 12. Do you see? Yeah. And now these two things, guys, those, okay, let me simplify this thing first. Meaning there, here, this, it's a like term, this, it's a like term there. Meaning I will press this number together. I'll press those one. So these two things there, they will give me 1x, 3 minus by 2, it's 1. And -3 plus 12, I'll get what? I'll get positive 9 here. Do you see? And now I should solve again now. That x, take this thing to the other side, which is here, it's -12. This thing there will become minus there. Meaning now here I should have what? -21. And this, guys, it's something like this there. A key thing that you should know about that one, guys, no need for you to divide by what? By +1. Just leave your answer like this there. Do you see? Yeah, no need to divide by +1. Then what about this one? This one, they're kind of slightly difficult. Actually, they're easy. So let me just go straight forward for this one. So here what you will do there, all the time when you see brackets, you expand. But first of all, let me write this thing like this, guys. That thing, it represents, that thing, it's twice. And here, let me just write this. Do you see? And now I can expand. This will multiply inside here. This will multiply here. Multiply here, meaning this multiply rate is x2, this multiply rate is -2x plus 1. Because here when you multiply same base, you add the exponent, which is those exponent are invisible 1, will give me 2 there when I add them. And this multiplies that. Then on this side, when I multiply same base, I add the exponent. Here we've got invisible 1, they will give me 2. This multiply that one, it's minus this. This multiply this, it's minus this. This multiply it's +4. Because when multiplying, same sign, it's positive there. Then collect like term, guys. These are the like term. Meaning those one, when I write them, here it's x2. These two things, guys, when I write them, they will give me what? -4x plus 4. And here it's this thing there, which is x2. Do you see? And now, guys, what you should know, these two things, they will cancel, guys. Because all the time when you see something which is the same from left hand side and right hand side, they cancel. When you see same thing on the left hand side and right hand side, they cancel there. Let me prove it, that thing to you. This is what you will do. Do you notice these things there? They got x. Let me just take them to this other side there. And a number, I will take it to that other side to a number. This there will be x2 minus 2x, which is -2, positive 4x. Here it's positive. This thing there will be -1. Do you see? So these two things, guys, they are like term. This one, they are like term. and here we got invisible 1 there, meaning now it's 1 minus by 1, which will give me 0 from my calculator, meaning these two things, they cancel. But here it's minus 2 plus 4, meaning that they will give me what? Positive 2x there. And here will give me 3. What is in front from what I need? I divide by it, meaning now my x there will become as 3 over 2, because these two things, they will cancel them, meaning this one is a final answer. Then what about for this one, guys? This one, most of the learners, they struggle to solve this question, and they are not even hard. This one is still grade 10, this one. We'll see when it goes to grade 11. Yeah, grade 11, something like this, but don't worry, man, about that. So let me just go here. Let me just do this thing. X plus 3, which is here, it's x2, which is 2 plus x. And now you can simplify. This will multiply them. This multiply here. This multiply there. This multiply there. So this is what will happen. This when it multiply there, it will be 2x there. This multiply there, it's minus 2x. This multiply there, it's positive 2x. This multiply there, it's what? It's negative 4. Here when multiplying same base, you add the exponent. This multiply there is this. This multiply there is this. This multiply there, different sign give you negative 4. Then here when multiply same base, you add the exponents. This multiply there, it's plus 3x. Multiply there, it's plus 3x. Multiply there, it's plus 9. That negative 1, guys, won't get involved. You just write the way it is. So now you should collect like term now. These two things, they are like term on your left hand side. Then on your right hand side, these two things are also like term, and here we got a number to a number. So this is what you will do there. When you press this thing, guys, on your calculator, they will give you 0 there. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0, meaning that these two things, they cancel those one. Here you will only left with this. Do you see? And here you will have 2, and now 3 plus 3, it's plus 6x. Positive 9 minus 1, it's plus 8. Do you see? And I even told you guys, when you see these two things there, if two things that are equal, are the same, they cancel. Do you see? I even proved that thing to you. Meaning even here, when I see same thing from a left hand side and the right hand side, they will cancel them. But let me just prove it to you, that thing. These two things are the same, and this one it's also x. So I will take everything that have x there on my left hand side and take a number to that other side, so that this thing there, it's x2, this will be minus x2, that thing will be minus 6x there, and this there will become positive 4, meaning this thing there will give me what? Will give me 12. And these two things, guys, they are like term, they got 1 here, meaning 1 minus by 1 will give you 0, meaning that these two things, they cancel. So here I will only left with this thing there. This, it's not the like term of those one. Yeah. Because these two things, they are like term, they got same base and same exponent. This thing, it only have the base x, but exponent it's 1. And this one, they got exponent, which is 2 there. And now this is what you can do now. What is in front from what you need to divide by it there? Both sides. Meaning now your answer there will be minus 2 as your final answer, because these two things, they cancel. Do you see? So a key thing, guys, that I want you to take note, guys, about knowing linear equation. I want you guys to be aware that once you can master how to solve linear equation, that thing, it will help you when it goes to a topic which we call a number line, number pattern. That question, you will be solving these kind of questions there in number pattern. And also this thing, it will help you when you are solving simultaneous. When you solve simultaneous, there will be a time whereby after you substitute, you should simplify. And the moment you simplify, you'll be simplifying a linear equations. But please, guys, watch the next video, which will show you more understanding about this kind of question, the way they will become so hard. This one is still grade 10 stuff, this one. there I was still trying to do a revision, by the way. But if for you find this thing it's hard, please try to check. I have another channel which is Return the Go Getter. Please try to go there and try to check there. There's something which there's something, guys, man, there, and try to check something there which is return solving unknown value. Then check how to solve for x, get more understanding there. Then once you understand, come here. So thank you for your time. All the best in your studies.